There are 5 tools included in the bag. Second torque and the third gear. It is very impressive. Wow. Without pre-drilling. Let's back it off. Now let's test the drill. First gear. Second gear. That was a lot of power for a 12-volt impact driver and a drill. A hammer drill, impact driver, 2-amp battery, and a 4-amp battery. The charger is rated at 12 volts, 3 amps, so 36 watts of charging power. And I noticed the power indicator is on the unit, unlike the other tools. There is no power indicator on the 12-volt battery. This is my first Milwaukee power tools. I like how compact they are. It came with 2 bars, 4 bars total. Grab these things to put it out. These are definitely interchangeable. I like the impact driver. It is so compact. When plugged in, this charger constantly draws 0.3 watts of power. Now that's a 4-amp battery. Charging indicator. Red light is on. 41 watts. Two-amp battery, the same output. A few details. It will be able to stand on its own using that most compact 2-amp battery. And the belt clip can be installed on either side, like this. And there is a LED light under the drill and driver. It's all metal construction. This part is plastic. And looks like we got the torque setting on top. It is just an electric switch. Yeah, I like it. Very compact. It is brushless. As for the hammer drill, the chuck is all metal. Torque adjustment. Sounds great. It's all positive stop. And the drilling speed 1 and 2. Again, the belt clip can be mounted on either side. It's brushless. There is also a LED light.